Multi-platinum selling pop star, talented TV actress, can be seen on Disney Channel's hit series Hannah Montana. Please welcome Miley Cyrus. Miley! Hello, Miley. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Look at Miley.
Hey, Miley, you were so nice to the girls backstage. I really appreciate that.
Oh, they were so cute.
They just are so amazing. You know, they can't even believe they're looking at you in person. And then Cameron, the youngest girl, said, when is Hannah Montana coming in here? She still cannot
grasp
the concept. Yeah. Isn't that interesting?
I get letters that's like, hey, Miley, can you give this to Hannah Montana for me? I was like,
They don't get it, do they?
but that's okay.
Well, you disguised as so good, you know, on the show.
Thank you.
Yeah. She plays a 14-year-old girl from Tennessee, a little in the awkward stage at 14, but then suddenly No, you're not?
No.
But there is a dramatic change.
Not with hair and makeup.
Right.
Oh, but there is a dramatic change that happens when you become Hannah Montana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Blonde wig, the makeup, the heels. It's really fun, the transformation.
Yeah.
And very few people at your school know that your alter ego is, in fact, Hannah Montana.
Just my best friend Lily and my best friend Oliver.
And your real name, though, is Destiny Hope Cyrus, which is some moniker, isn't it?
Yes, that was my dad's idea, but it was also his idea to call me Smiley Miley, so that's where I got my nickname.
It's cute.
Thanks.
And, of course, it's Billy Ray Cyrus, her father,
My daddy.
famous singer, and now dancer.
Yeah, now dancer.
How did he get through that dancing show?
It took a lot of practice. He was in our basement until like 2 a.m. dancing.
Sure.
And it was intense.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Karina
Yeah.
was on him. It was hard.
Well, did he like that experience? Would you ever do something like that yourself?
Well, we actually just had Joey Fatone on our show, who taught me a couple moves. So maybe I would do it one day. But after seeing how hard it was, I don't know if I could. It was
They really work
intense.
hard, don't they? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it was scary.
So now he plays your father and your manager on the show.
Yes.
And had to audition for the part, right?
Yeah, he did. It was really funny because I had gotten the part a couple months before that. And I was really about to start missing my dad, and it was going to be really hard, you know, moving out here and him staying in Tennessee. So we decided, you know, hey, why not have him audition for the show? And the chemistry was obviously, you know, there for father and daughter, so he finally got the role.
That's great. So that's wonderful. Now, but
Wouldn't it be terrible, though, if you didn't have good father-daughter chemistry?
That would be terrible.
But you had to leave a lot of little friends at home, right?
Yeah.
Don't you have a number of horses and things like that?
Yeah, lots of horses, dogs, cats.
So who's taking care of all that?
My Uncle Mick is taking care of all my stuff, and I love getting to go home and getting to ride.
Is he your dad's brother?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So now, have you had your first kissing scene as Hannah?
Yes, with Cody Lindley.
Cody Lindley. What's he like? Is he dreamy?
Dreamy. He's like Jesse McCartney Jr.
No
only
kidding.
better.
Really? Huh?
Yeah.
Jesse McCartney Jr.
Yeah.
Really, like the thought of a Jesse McCartney Jr. Jesse who's 19.
Was Cody a good kisser?
My dad's watching.
Oh my gosh.
That to me would be so awkward to just have like your first kiss on screen anyway, and then to have it, you know, happen in front of your dad has to be like a nightmare.
It was really weird because even our producers are even more protective than my dad, and so they're like sitting there watching. I'm like, well, what do you want me to do? He's really cute. I'm like, whatever. You guys wrote it, and so we're always just laughing about it. But we had a couple really good episodes. It was really fun.
Oh, that's great. Meanwhile, you got your new CD coming out too, right?
Yes, I do. June 26th. It's a double disc where one side of the CD is Hannah Montana's and then the next CD is Miley Cyrus music. So I wrote 7 of the 10 songs, and then we've got a lot of the really cool music from season 2 on Hannah Montana.
Boy, you're off to a flying start
And
here.
then my daughter will act the whole thing out for me.
Yay!
And I will sit there, and heaven forbid my eyes avert for a second. She will start over from the beginning.
My little sister does the same thing to me.
Well, we have a clip from the show.
Awesome.
And in this particular scene, Miley is conflicted about lying to cover up her alter ego, Hannah Montana, right? Let's take a look at this.
Daddy, tonight Jake was totally honest with me. And because of the Hannah secret, I couldn't be the same with him. And when he asked me out for tomorrow night, I had to lie to him again because Hannah's reading to that 2nd grade class tomorrow. What kind of relationship will it be if I have to lie to him about half of my life?
Well, you could always tell him the truth.
What?
Or not. Honey, I know it's a tough decision, but I'm sure you'll make the right one.
No, I won't. I'm 14. I'm almost guaranteed to mess this up. You're the adult. You're supposed to tell me what to do.
What kind of a father would I be if I just ordered you around all the time?
A normal one?
Hannah Montana, weeknight, 7 o'clock on the Disney Channel. Nice to have you here, Miley.
Great to see you. Thank you.
Miley Cyrus, everybody. We'll be right back with DJ JS1.